My Excel class.
Welcome to the 50th lecture of the AutoCAD. In this lecture, I will teach you about this panel which contains multiple commands just like ortho, snap, grid, pull, tracking, snap, everything it includes. So I will be covering in this lecture. So let's start. So first start with the grid option. What does mean by grid and what does actually is let me off it now. Grid is done is off, and when exactly I on it, it appears something just like there are multiple squares, and you can see here. So what grid actually is, let me open this one, grid setting. Well, here's some properties of the grid, and here's the snapple I want to discuss right now. When I own this one, here will be check mark, and next I want to tell you about this one. Here's written that grid X spacing is 10 and grid Y spacing is 10, and major line every. What does mean by this? It means that we have a, now you can see we have a major box, a square box, and you can see further in this major square box there are 5 sub boxes on the x-axis and sub 5 axis on the y-axis. So what does mean by that setting? In this here's the one main box in which we have a 5 further along x-axis as well as y-axis, and each sub box has the length of the 10 as mentioned here. On x-axis small grid spacing is 10, on y-axis small grid spacing is 10, and one main box contains 5 further box on the x-axis as well as the y-axis. So this is exactly the about grid. Okay, so next is the snap. What does mean by snap? And by this snap option you can get to know even grid command what actually grid was telling. So let me on it, and let me set it setting, snap setting, and here's the snap, and you can set its setting from here. Let me grid map. Well, snap is on, and now you have mentioned that snap x spacing is 10 and space spacing is 10. The most important thing, these two values are same. So what does mean by this? It means that if I want to draw a line or something else, see there will be a strange behavior of the cursor, means it's not possible for cursor to pick or drop at any point. Now you see it is moving according to the grid and snap. Now you can see in one main box there are 5 multiple box on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. You can see 1 2 3 4 and 5 and so on the y-axis. So according to the setting you can see grid spacing was 10, snap x spacing is 10, and same is the y snap spacing 10 and the 10. So and one major box contains the 5 small boxes. Okay, well, next one is the ortho option. What does mean by this exactly? Let me on it, and let me draw a line. Well, I want to draw a line, and let me off this one. Let me draw a line. You can draw randomly. See, it's not possible for me to move this line with certain angle, or the only option is I can move with the 90 angle. So when you will click here, when you on this ortho option, so this will not be possible for you to draw a line at certain angle. You are supposed to draw a line at 0 or 90 or 180, 270 and 360 degree. So this will you will be bound to draw according to this one. Well, next one is the polar next one is the polar tracking. Means if you want to draw a line at certain angle, you can do this one if this option will be on. So let me on this one. And one more thing I want to tell you that this has a specific angles just like 90, 180, 270, 360 and multiple of 45, multiple of 30, 23, 45. So these have this specific angle list, not all. So if you want to draw a line at a certain angle which is not mentioned here, so you can do in this way. Polar tracking on, and new, and suppose I want to draw a line at 19 angle. Let me write here, and okay. So now you can draw a line at a 19 angle. Suppose here is the straight line, and I want to draw a line at 19 degree. So here is the 19 degree. See, when you mention 90 degree, it will somehow guide you when angle will be 19 degree. So this was the polar tracking. We have covered grid, snap, ortho, polar, and next one is the snap or object snap, and this one is the object snap to tracking. I will be explaining both one. So let's start with the object snap. Well, suppose this option is off, and what does mean by the object snap? You can go to the setting, and here's the object snap tracking options, and here's the object snap tracking options. Well, now I'm discussing the object snap, and this includes different, just like endpoint, midpoint, center, geometric center, different options. Suppose I am checking this one, and I need this one. So what does mean by this? Okay, let me draw a rectangle using a line. See, if this option will be off, then when you will be drawing a rectangle, suppose I am drawing here, this will not tell you where is the end point. Suppose here's the end point, but when you zoom in, see there are a gap between these 2 points. So it means when you on this object snap, so it will be possible for you to exactly close your end line with the original one. So there are multiple options you can see here. Object snap, means when you join endpoints, midpoint, center, geometric center, node, quadrant, intersection. So this will be helpful if you on object snap. So this was the object snap. Next one is the object snap tracking. When you click here and when you check will, here is the object snap tracking, and here's the multiple options, just like extension, intersection. What does mean by and what is different between these two? This is just object snap, and this one is the actually tracking. What does mean by this one? Let me tell you that suppose I want to draw a rectangle using this line command, and now you own this object snap tracking. Now it will be easy for you to take reference from here. So it will be possible for you to take reference from here. See, so you have drawn a perfect rectangle by using the line command and with the help of object snap and object snap tracking. So this contains different properties options, so depending upon your requirement you can select that one and can ignore other one. So well, this is all for today. If you have any question you can ask. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.